Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and today we're having a gentle drone flight along Paphos Boardwalk, starting at Pachyammos Beach, because that's as far as we can go in that direction and fly the drone before we hit the Paphos Airport restricted airspace. Pachyammos Beach itself is lovely, so is the Louis Imperial, and then you have the Olympic Lagoon Resort, which I'll go and zoom over. It's Sunday morning. It's about 9 o'clock.
Hey, hello. How are you?
That's the Olympic Lagoon, and then you've got the Amphora Resort after it.
Yeah, you know.
And right down there is a little wedding venue and water sports kiosk. I imagine they're going to be closing for the winter soon. And between the Louis Imperial and the Amphora Resort, you have Suite 48 restaurant, which is a lovely place, especially at night. It's beautifully lit up. And coming further down, you have this little unnamed beach. Well, according to Google Maps, it hasn't got a name anyway. Certainly not a blue flag beach, but it's just nice enough. Place to go if you want a quieter swim, not surrounded by sunbeds. And after the Amphora Resort, you get to SODAP Beach. Sorry, there's a little bit of a issue there with the signal. Someone's got a blocker somewhere. But here's SODAP Beach and the Antasia Beach Bar. And you might just be able to make out that there's quite a lot of joggers running along the boardwalk. Actually, later on today, and when I say later on I mean in about 20 minutes time, there's due to be a fun run starting and finishing, I think, in Paphos Harbour. But the only reason I know about it is because I saw a bus stop sign that said that the bus opposite the Almyra Spa was closed for the next hour. So that's SODAP Beach in the Antasia Beach Bar we just flown over. And after that you'll come to, well, the correct name for SODAP Beach is Vrysoudia A, and this is Vrysoudia B. All Vrysoudia means is tap, as in a brewery tap or bar that you'd have at a brewery, because there used to be a brewery there, but they gave it to the municipality, I believe. So those beaches are named after that. And that's the Alexander the Great Hotel, looking very nice indeed. I've already done a walking film along there. Pan out a bit. Sea is incredibly calm, and incredibly calm seas make for very nice reflections. I'm going to have to go a bit higher now, but that'll give you more of a view of the Sea Front and Harbour as we approach it. So you've got the Almyra Hotel on the right, followed by the Annabelle Hotel, and just down there, that's Alykes Beach, the original one, spelt correctly, with an ES at the end. And after that you have, as I said, the Annabelle Hotel and the municipal bars. And then we come to the seafront itself. And I'll give you quite a high up view of that, and we'll finish at the harbour. There's a lighthouse in the distance. I mean, looking at the picture here, it looks fairly cloudy, and there is some low cloud, but it's not the kind of rain cloud. It's very nice and, dare I say it, hot at the moment. And there's Paphos seafront below us. And I'll pull around slightly to give you a bit more of the walkway approaching the harbour. And we'll fly over the harbour and finish with a nice view of the castle or the fort. Take your pick, call it what you want, I don't care. And there you have it. That's an extended view of the boardwalk, showing all I can with the drone. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next film. Cheers.